Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel once again. So, one more project based on ESP32-CAM. So, very simple project that is a motion surveillance system using ESP32-CAM with LED or buzzer alert, and also to be showing on the web dashboard. It means that photograph and the timing will be available on the web dashboard. So it's an IoT project. So let's go and find out what is there in the project. So first of all, let's see the overview. This system detects motion using PIR or IR or any other sensor you can use. LED alert will be there. That means there are two LEDs given here, red and green, plus timing. That is, what is the time we have, because we have taken a time library that I will explain you. Captures the live photo using ESP32-CAM and it will be displayed on the web dashboard. Right? Works over Wi-Fi ESP32 as a web server. Okay, there is a web server also. That's why you can see it on the web dashboard. So working principle is the IR or PR sensor detects the motion. ESP32-CAM captures the image. LED gives you that is red and green. LED will give you the alert system. Plus there will be timing also. Uploading images to the web server, web dashboard shows the latest capture image. Time stamp will be there. That is time. So bottom I have given you some pins, the V pins diagram, because each and every project, the pins are very, very important for us. All right. So component required here, very simple, ESP32-CAM, which is available here. Then you have PR motion sensor, IR sensor, PIR or IR you can take, LED red and green, FTDI programmer that I will show you when we go to the lab, and the codes. Few jumper wire and power supply will be there. It can be batteries also, but please remember 5 volt is very, very important here. Compulsory, you should have more current power supply. Then pin connection to this is, that is GPIO 13 is connected to the PIR IR sensor. Red LED is connected to GPIO 12, green LED is connected to GPIO 13, right? Through a resistance, that is through a ground resistance you can call, through minus or plus you can give, that is 20 ohm resistor, because whenever you connect LED, please remember you should connect the resistors also. So required libraries are ESP32 Wi-Fi.h library and time.h library. These are the two libraries what we should all have. All right. So let's see how does it work. So red LED connected to GPIO 12 when motion is there. Green LED which is connected to GPIO 13, no motion it will indicate. GPIO 0, important point is GPIO 0, when you connect, when you do the coding part, the GPIO 0 ground only during upload. You have to connect it to the ground, GPIO 0. Use external 5 volt supply for ESP32-CAM. Web dash output will be accessed via serial monitor IP, display, captured image, and time. So this is our project. So let's go to our lab and see our project. There I will explain other thing. As you can see the setup here, this is my mobile phone where I'm getting the camera captured picture with the last moment, motion detected, and the timing is also given here. So this I will just bring it closer so that it will be clear for you. All right. So this is the timing part and it will be this thing. Now, I'll tell you about the circuit. Simple is very simple. I've made it on a small PCB. There are two LEDs, green is going on and red LED is also there. Power supply, I have used a battery that is 4.2 volts or 3.7 volt battery is there on this thing. For programming this, I have used this is the part that is FTDI programmer I have used. So you have a connection here. You can put the whole thing here on the top of this, and you can program. I'll show you the programs also. So simple project to register. This capacitor I have connected for this thing also. That is for getting filtering more properly. Okay. So I will just give you an idea. So again, it is going on continuously. I will show you. So I have used an IR sensor over here. This is my IR sensor. If I put my finger on this thing, you can see red light has come. I'm removing it, green light. So red light is motion detected, green light is no motion. Whenever there is a motion detected, it will take the picture and it will be displaying on this. So how this is connected, I got the IP address. That is whatever the IP address you get, and it will be continuously displaying about the thing. So this is worked like a security. Once again, please check. And this thing. So how it is working, I have given 5 volts to my cam after programming. That is after programming with my this thing. That is FTDI programmer. You can use it. And ground. And there are 3 connections only. 2 for the LEDs and 1 for the IR. Instead of IR, I can use PIR also, but I found that this is also better, so I just gave this. So you can see now, again, I'm just making an obstacle so that the red the photograph has been taken over here. So very simple project. So where you can use this project can be used for a video or photo ID security system, right? It can be used for that purpose. Then you have a home video doorbells. So doorbell alert, etc. There you can use this simple project, with the ESP32-CAM can be implemented with other IoT security related projects, right? So that was the idea to show you. So I will share the schematic diagram, not the schematic diagram. Schematic diagram is very simple. Only three connections are there. So 5 volt is important for this. That I have told you that I have given it from the battery also. It works with the battery also. Okay. So you can certainly try this project. I hope you will like this project. If you like it, please share with your friends. And if you have any questions on this thing, please give us a comment also. You can give us a comment also. So you can see this is the setup and very, very simple. We can implement with so many other projects. So this is the project part, that is our code part. So first 3 libraries: camera, Wi-Fi, and time. The time library is very important. That is, if you want the time to be coming on here on the screen, then this time library, which I've already shown you, that is important for us. SSID, password, and pin description 14, 12, 13. These 3 are this thing. Then camera pins, about the camera pins. Then time related to time, you can just see here. And related to camera, it is then given here over here. And setup times, that is the baud rate and all. And after that, the loop one. Okay. So these are the very simple project. Then you have a dashboard and HTTP connections over here in the finally, because it has to come on the dashboard and HTTP connection. So you have to give our size. Please don't increase the size. Why? Because it will not come. If you increase the size, you try to make it on the bigger size, so it will not come. So very simple. This I'm going to share with you. Okay. Thanks for watching.